Press the sprint button. Hear the little sound of that sprint from the power armor. Is it me? Do you notice this? Do you notice that the whole time your microfusion core is draining? See it? See it going down? Is it me? Do you go a little tiny bit faster? When you do this, alright, I'm gonna stop doing it. You go a little tiny? I don't know. I get why it drains your microfusion core. See, I'm not crazy. You see it depleting. I've actually had it use the whole thing one time if your core is low enough. Oh yeah, we've noticeably used up some of the fusion core. Why the hell is that?